Tape them. It is now. Your eyes, 10 million fireflies. Fell asleep. How do you not know? Hey Toby. Hey. Say hey. Everywhere. Rant and sing. Rant and sing. You ever heard before and filled out?
Self-believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake while I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. There you go.
Doritos. Lightning bugs. Oh my! Now you can't put Cheetos on there. That's a disgrace.
I have in the sand. Like, there you go. I'm asleep. It's never like get me in it.
Rule number one, what's that? Get the money first. Okay. Rule number two, don't forget to get the money. Play by these rules and everything will be okay. Yep. Still in my trap, flipping my Frito-Lays. Go get the money, it ain't nothing else important to me. I showed her a Xanax, she hurry up and took it. I fucked.
Okay, so only one of us can do fidget spinner tricks, and here it is, right here. Can you get it first try? Can you get it first try? Oh, first try! In our drafting class, we got a pack of ham one day, and we just all threw it at each other. And we left a piece under this, so just a daily checkup. Oh God, that thing looks like a pepperoni. It's so moldy. Ugh, it does look like a nipple.
Smell it. Smell it.
I'm not smelling that. I kind of want it. That thing stinks. That piece of ham has been there for like at least a month, maybe 2 months now. Really not sure anymore. But it's nasty. Is it nasty?
It's very nasty.
Is it nasty?
Disgusting.
Is it nasty?
Horrible.
He doesn't speak English. He just transferred here.
Yeah,
Say hey to Ollie.
Hola. He's my
He's a crackhead.
he's my dog. Which one called? Neighbors.
And then we got Daniel. Everyone go subscribe to his YouTube.
Yeah, man.
What's your YouTube, Daniel?
Oh, I gotcha.
Alright, pull it up. You pulling it up?
Oh, yeah.
Do you have your purple form filled out?
Socially
Is this it? Daniel, this isn't your YouTube.
Yeah, it is. Wait, are you getting the thing?
There it is.
Right there.
Everyone go subscribe to Daniel.
Oh, yeah. 16 subs.
It's great. Help him out. Make that button turn white. Hey, Toby. 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 What? Toby.
Shut!
Hey.
Oh, hey.
Oh, and everyone,
Hey, get me in it, bro.
show me the spinners.
Oh,
yeah.
Shoddy.
Everyone, Dawson sells spinners.
Bro,
The
Dawson
fidget
do like
spinners.
that,
So everyone, if you need a fidget spinner, just hit up my man Dawson. He's got American flag ones, zebra. He's got the metal ones. How much are the metal ones, Dawson?
$10.
Metal ones are 10. I think these are 5.
Get them online for 55, but I got
These
them for 10, so come to me.
These are 5.
Yeah,
So,
you suck.
If you
Bro,
need
I'll make 'em
one,
better,
hit me
though.
up, hit Dawson up, hit any of us up. I mean, he's got fat stacks. He ain't lying.
Fat.
I got
Nice.
fat butt.
They're nice. He does have a fat
Oscar,
butt.
who's just better, mine or his?
His butt's fat.
I'm JK, bro. Don't bomb for me. My 3D printer's broke.
Stacks. Oh, Wesley, you got to do your trick
bro.
on camera.
It's
Wesley! Push the camera to it.
Wait, no.
Back it up back here.
It won't go
and then let
reverse.
Get it ready.
Oh, there's something stuck in there.
This class is so fun. We don't do anything.
We don't do shit.
Bro, look at that pink one with that dope signature on it.
Oh yeah, Andrew Parks.
Ace Goody.
Yeah, that's right. Keep blowing harder, Toby.
Bro, shout out my YouTube channel, bro. G-Night.
Right here, you have a T Prizzy.
Alright, drive it straight toward me.
Oh, straight toward you?
Yeah.
Goes in reverse if it works, but if it doesn't, then.
Wait, what's your YouTube again?
Oh yeah, it's got the headlights too.
It's M1.
Quit running into the wall!
Come on, Toby.
Beats! Beats!
He's got no beats. He's got no beats.
You were so late.
Where's the car at? I'm still videoing it.
Go on.
Oh, it's stuck on my camera.
You gotta take it out.
I don't want to drive it in there. It's stupid.
You're stupid.
Yeah, this is we should make a cool obstacle course.
Like one that you can actually see it driving on.
Yeah.
Make a ramp.
Currently racing a NASCAR in our class. Toby, what are we doing?
NASCAR.
NASCAR? Fast car?
Fast car.
Fast and Furious 9. I'm actually like producing.
What's up, Oscar?
What's up?
What's up, Dawson?
What's up?
What's up, Ollie?
Hey, man.
What's up, Ryan?
Drop it under my
What's
leg.
talking to you, Ryan? Drive it into my nuts.
Oh god.
Record it running into Oscar's dick.
There's a big hair on the back of it. Hang on, let me attach it to it. Could this hold my camera?
No, hey. Is it really?
Especially compared to the top of the car.
Oh my god, it's pretty heavy. Here.
Okay, no, we gotta.
Alright, get it, try it.
Hey, you gotta do the little thing though.
Fast and Furious. Alright, Toby, another stunt.
You ready?
Whoa!
Wait, here, hold on. I put like.
Yeah, it's a bridge.
Floor it.
Hutchen, we miss you. He got it! He got it!
Wow.
What was that? What was that? Wow. What was that?
Chug.
Jesus. Sniper.
Get stuck.
Defense. Dawson's tall, but
It's time for lunch.
yeah, we're
The whole gang's heading to lunch.
Let's bear crawl down the hallway.
Yeah, bear crawl. Get it, Dawson.
What a workout. Watch this.
Hey. See that man?
Dang, dude, you don't?
I just want to be on camera.
Yeah, you're 15 seconds. You're 15 seconds of fame are over.
They're just hungry for fame. That's all they want.
Get a video. Who wants to be on
Yes, I got
Nobody
you.
wants to work with it.
So,
They get.
we're about in here at lunch. Oh, we can film the jungle outside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah, live commentary from Animal Planet.
Y'all gotta walk behind. Hey! What's up, bro?
Subscribe to my channel.
Everybody go subscribe to Eric's channel.
Oh yeah, bro. Thanks.
You might not play.
Hey, Oscar, what are we doing? Atomic high five?
We're doing the atomic high five.
Let's see.
You guys ready for this?
Cookie bag. Let's go, Ollie. Get it. Ollie doesn't speak English.
Me and
Remember.
Johnson are gonna do
He's the one that doesn't speak English.
Set.
Oh!
Nice.
Nice.
What's up, Branson, you hater?
Yeah, Branson. Sit down. Sit down.
You Mormon? I'm not. He's a Mormon.
You're a Jew with your massive shit. You and Toby are brothers.
It's alright, Toby. You don't have to cry. You can cry on my shoulder.
Start crying, Toby.
You wouldn't stop looking. That bitch good as tookin', good as gone. I guarantee that like my nigga, that bitch ain't coming home. I got money to count, I got bitches to fuck.